We introduce to you SPI LED Controller. This device can control up to 1024 RGB or 768 RGBW individual LEDs. In this tutorial, we will use RGB strip that has 210 individual diodes. SPI LED Controller has 4 outputs: SPI out, power cord, DMX in and DMX out. On top side, you can find slot for SD card, status LEDs and buttons for easy effects changing. First, we will show you how to connect LED strip to controller. Each LED strip has specific pin order, which is indicated directly on the strip. Always use power supply with right voltage so that you won't damage your LED strip. Here is a pinout of connector included with your SPI LED controller package. You can use additional connector or you can solder SPI connector directly to LED strip. Plug LED strip to SPI out plug on your device and prepare your power supply. Please notice to always check voltage of your LED strip so that you won't damage it. This is a pinout scheme for power connector. Plug power supply to power port of your device. Green status LED should turn on immediately. Included in the package is also an SD card. In default, it contains several effects and settings file. SPI controller can work in 2 modes: standalone and DMX pixel or DMX trigger mode. Both options requires SD card that contains correct settings file. Both the settings file and effects can be created in LED Strip Studio software. The installation package is included on your SD card or you can download it from our website. First, you have to create a representation of your strip. This process is called mapping. In mapping, you translate specific parameters of your physical strip to software. To begin, click on Add New Digital Strip. Draw a straight line in Strip Editor area. Set number of LEDs. In our case, our strip has 210. Then click on a plus button to add new device. An IP address will appear in the same line. This is not the IP address of your controller. It's just a virtual device that represents your SPI controller in our software. Now drag and drop digital strip to distributor area. Select type of LED chip from drop-down menu. Although we are using RGB strip, the color order can be and often is very different. However, do not change it during mapping process, as you will have option further on in the process. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will show you how to play random effects that we picked from the same LED Strip Studio installation that you have in your computer. To use preloaded effects, click on Add Strip, then select the line that represents it. Choose Effect from the menu on the right and click on a plus button. Repeat the process to add several effects to your bank. To export selected effects, click on Tools and choose LN2 file format. To batch generate multiple effects, click on Bank. Select IP address of your virtual device and confirm export to your SD card. For each of the 2 modes, the controller